If you're a Python enthusiast, you need to dive into this essential ML guide. Ready to transform your machine learning skills? Introducing Python Machine Learning by Example by Yuxi, Hayden, Liu. This comprehensive guide bridges the gap between theory and practice, making advanced concepts accessible for beginners. The 4th edition is packed with new content, including updated chapters on NLP transformers, PyTorch, and computer vision modeling. Learn best practices with a dedicated chapter and tips scattered throughout. Implement models like neural networks and regression from scratch with hands-on examples. And guess what? When you purchase the book, you get a free PDF copy. Dive into advanced topics like NLP transformers with BERT and GPT, and multimodal models with PyTorch and Hugging Face. Practical examples like predicting stock prices and building image search engines make complex concepts easier to grasp. Perfect for data scientists, ML engineers, analysts, and students with a Python background. Whether you're tackling your first serious ML project or leveling up your skills, this book is for you. Subscribe for more videos and start your machine learning journey today.